Ava. Hi. Hi, Ava. Can you give Grandma and Grandma and great grandparents a big smile? Oh, look at that. Did you just get your shots, Ava? Yeah. Can you say hi? Huh? Can you say hi? Oh, she's in a very good mood after getting shots. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Ava.